guys, in this blog I will give you some tips on how you can change your brake pads. As you can see here, the caliper, so the brake pads inside, so you just need only the new brake pads, the new one, and then you need also the brake pad tools, which you can buy any auto parts, which only cost you about around 20 bucks. That's still good. Not really expensive, but you can use it. Okay, now we have to remove the old brake pad. Okay guys, the first thing to do, you have to grab some key, open wrench, and you have to open the bottom one, the side. Then it's good to take off, pull out everything, so you have some access to change the new pads. So, put it here. Then you have to take off the old one here. So as you can see here, the brake pads is already finished. So it's not good to use it, otherwise it's gonna damage my disc. So let's put it on the ground. Now we have a new one here. See, there. Okay, this one's the new one. Then if you wonder guys, they give you some in the packet like this one, like this small pin or bracket, what you call this one. This one is the indicator for your brake pads. You have to put this in the side somewhere like this. You can put in the bottom. See, the purpose of this is as long as your pads is worn out while you're driving your car, so once the pads is almost finished and it's touching here in the indicator, so it make noise, so that's the warning or the time that you have to change your pads, otherwise it will damage all your discs. So okay, we have to put the new one. And then after that, we have to push the piston of your caliper, because you cannot put the caliper because the piston is already pressed because of the old pads is worn out. So now what you do, you have to grab your tools, your brake pad tools, and you have to press it, the piston. You have to use the old pads. Hold on. Put the old pads here, and then you have to put your tools. You can see here. Yeah, you have to keep pressing until the piston is going in. Please. Okay, it's done. So you have to take off your tools, take off all pads. Now your piston is in and now ready to put in with the new brake pads. Yeah, like that. Look, new pads, caliper. Now we have to put in. Now you have to put the bolt, the bottom. The top bolt you don't need to take up, just slide out with the caliper. Now put the bolt. Tight the bolt. All good. And now you have a new pad. Come on, guys. Now, guys, you have a new brake pads now. And after that, before put the tire, you have to turn it. You have to turn your disc. Just move it, if no touching on the back. Now it's not turning because only this side is lift off with the jack stand. So just be sure that your back plate is not touching with the disc. Here, there's a gap here, so it's not making noise. Okay, all good. You have a new pad. You have now comfortable to drive the car, no noise and good braking. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, hit my bell so you will be updated to my next video. Bye.